Like I said, knowledge is power. It's priceless for the one who hasn't got it, if it's given to them at the right time of the hour or moment of their need. It can save a life. It can save a livelihood. It can save people money, a lot of stress. So one who doesn't have it is priceless to them if they can get it. Only if the ones who do have it knew how to forward it. I'll give you 4 situations I went through. The having the knowledge saved me a fortune. One is when my business failed. Many people get upset with that. Oh, my business has failed. What am I going to do? I'm glad it did, because I would have never learned what I learned. Made me thousands after that, because I learned. 2, I had a car. I don't know nothing about cars. Trust me, I know nothing other than the fact it's got an engine, gearbox, steering wheel, 4 wheels, and I'm done. Anything more than that needs fuel, and I think that's about it for me, right? But when it comes down to business side of things, what causes the failure of business, I knew literally nothing would cause my failure. But then 15 years of study, I am now on a level that where I can sit down with any reasonable business and say to the businessman, I don't want your money, but I do want your success. I will turn this money business into a money-making machine for you, and just give me 10%. That's if you want me to do it for. But if you want me to teach it to you, then we can agree a fee. I don't want no money. I'll make the business run right in front of you and you see it happening. Why can I do that? How can I offer that guarantee? Because I know I can make it happen. Hey, hang on. If I can't give you a business, if I can't run a business for you that gives you your dream, why am I charging you? Why are you paying me? You shouldn't be paying me. And that's the difference out there. Most people out there just rip you off, take you to the cleaners, take every penny they can. They don't give a crap, but I don't do things like that. I handpick the businesses, sit down with them, and I work with them. And I deliver the results. And we talk about money after. My wealth is your success. That's why I don't charge you nothing. Of course, I take a little bit of a security from you that you're not going to mess me around. So I'll give you another story. I had a car to sell. And the car was giving me a lot of issues. I didn't have the time to drive it. It was a lovely car. It was a Lexus as well, LS 430. Beautiful car. But I didn't have the time to drive it. Never had the chance to get, because I was so busy studying. So anyway, I rang up a friend of mine. He said, let's put it onto a certain magazine. And I did. Within an hour, the car was gone. I put it on Facebook, and I was getting a lot of stress from a lot of people ringing up trying to take the car for free. I said, look, I know I'm desperate to sell the car because I want to buy another car, but I don't want to throw it away. And a friend of mine said to me, put it on a certain magazine, and I did. And within an hour, the car was gone. I said, oh my God, that's the power of knowledge. He knew something that I did not know. Now, you want to know something? What connection do you think that made between me and my friend who said to me, sell the car, when the car sold? I felt relieved. He's helped me. That's true wealth, when you help somebody to get what they want. Car was gone. It was parked out there for months. Anyway, another one. My boiler broke down. Only had it for 2 years. All of a sudden broke down. Rang the plumber up, a good friend of mine. Said, listen, this thing isn't working. It's not giving any hot water. He said, I'll pop over and have a look. Came down, took the cover off. The boiler had built up pressure. Pressure had to be released. I didn't know how to take a cover off, let alone how to release the pressure. He took the cover off in front of me, released the pressure in front of me, and showed me how to do it. I said, oh my God, is that it? It was 30 seconds. I said, he goes, yeah. Hot water was working, everything was back on normal again. He said, next time it happens, that's what you do. Do you see my point about power? Knowledge is power. I said, oh my God, is that it? And he goes, yeah, anybody else would have charged you £250 for that. Because he knew something you didn't. He would have played around with your boiler, making it look like he's doing something, but that's all you had to do is pull that clip, let the pressure out, refill it a little bit, and you're done. And within 30 seconds, he did it in front of me. But because he was a friend, somebody I built a relationship with, he did my central heating and my boiler for me. He came over and did it for me straight up. Now, here's another one. The boiler needs cleaning in there. I didn't know any of that. He told me, go to a certain shop, it's 60 quid, pick it up, put it in the boiler, you're done. Did the same thing. He come down, put it in there for me, and showed me how to do it. Every year, I can just put this thing in there for 36 quid. It'll clean the pipes, clean the boiler, clean the radiators. But again, it's the moral to the story is he knew something I didn't. And if I didn't do it, I would have destroyed the boiler in time because the filth would have gone into the radiators, into the pipes, into the boiler, would have killed the boiler. But I didn't know. The boiler was saved. The car was sold. Can you see the point I'm trying to make to you? The businesses fail because they don't know. Now here's the problem. I knew I didn't know how to deal with the car, so I rang my friend. I said, listen, mate, how do I get rid of this thing? And he said, put it into a certain magazine, it'll be gone. And it was because he knew and I didn't. How many times did you ring somebody on your failing business